So I got around to finishing the car. Well, of course, we got an issue. Right here, probably got a crack in it somewhere. Yo, we just changed the radiator. Let me plug this vacuum line back in. Yo, just changed the radiator that was leaking. PR1, no leaks. Build it up with the Asian vehicles only. You know what I mean? 50-50, the blue John. But yeah, temperature's fine. Don't worry about this, I'm gonna take this off. I lost the screw, so I can't plug it into the boost coupler math. It's gonna keep popping out. But yeah, I'm gonna let it warm up and we're gonna hook up K-tuner so we can check the temp. Temp should be between 180 and 200, no more above 200. So turbo in. We got the couplers hooked up into the intake, so it's in boost. We got a 9-pound spring, a blow off valve, 3-inch down pipe. I gotta get it. I gotta take it to the muffler shop so they can weld it into the factory exhaust, and then we're gonna get a 3-inch custom muffler, pressure regulator. So now this is the next video. Should be on fuel mods. So in this video we're gonna cover everything you need to, you know, support a turbo with fuel mods. So we have fuel injectors, we have 1000 cc's Deech work, we have a aftermarket fuel rail, we have a Deech Works 340 LPH 40 psi fuel pump. How you doing? Hi. And then we have fuel rail fittings to turn the factory style. We have the return fitting for the gas. We have another factory style 6AN you know, connectors to connect some extra fuel lines I had. I put some on the threads, not too much, but you know. But yeah, I just pulled it up, get the excess out. That way we can tuck the fuel line underneath. So this is our return line so far. As you can see, it runs straight. It runs right through the frame, right up. And we're just gonna tuck it under. I'm gonna try to tuck it under anything that's OEM, you know? Give it that OEM look. But yeah, so I'm gonna tuck it along the back and then show y'all the inside of when we. I have to show you the inside now. Fuck it. So yeah, there you go. I'm filming a whole bunch of videos today, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get them organized. All right, so we have a return line right here, and then we have the feed line. We just routed it through. Okay. Now look, boom. Both lines in here, right? This is that part 2 of the last video. So boom. Now we're gonna be doing the fuel mod. So you wanna remove this. First you wanna unplug your battery, right? After you unplug your battery, you wanna move this clip right here. All right, we're back. So now you wanna remove that connector like I told y'all. Boom. Remove that connector. Right after we get that out the way, we go to fuel line. You're gonna have some fuel come out, so just get something ready to catch it. We do it with my other hand. I need 2 hands here. Probably need a screwdriver or something to push it off. I'll be back. All right, y'all, so we got it cleaned up. You don't want none of that. You don't want none of this falling in your tank. Like, look at all that. You don't want that falling in your tank. So I'm just trying to show y'all. All right, so you want to try to just, you don't want to break the tab. I mean, it's gonna take a couple whacks, but make sure you get a mallet. Nope, there you go. We got some movement. Just keep going around until she loses. Another time. And right in the box. All right, so we got the fuel pump. We got some heat shrink. We got the connectors. Fuel pump. We have the fuel pressure regulator blank. You're gonna need one of these.
We have the return fitting, and we have a feed fitting. And a filter in here for the new fuel pump. So I'm gonna start breaking this down. Yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so we got it out. Place that down. You just want to pull it out with some care. And there we go. We got the pump. Okay, back. We're gonna move the blank. To remove this, you'll want to flip this. It's like a small clip. Nope. This screwdriver in between it. It'll come out. Just be careful. Got some gas coming out. Now, plug it back in. Just like so. Alright, so we spliced the negative connector already. Alright, so we spliced both. So now what we're gonna do is gonna give it a little twisty twist. So now this is why I had these ready. So we're gonna connect red and red and black and black. And put that connector through. Alright, put it through. And then we're gonna hit it, grab pliers, whatever, something. Oh, came out. So everything is solid. And get it through. Make sure they're touching. You have the new wire. Plugs right into our new fuel pump. Clicks right in. Right into the factory power source. So now what we're gonna do is to keep these wires safe so they don't come apart. Got some heat shrink. All right, y'all, for future reference, put the heat shrink on before you do the butt connectors. Nice and clean. The return to the tank right here. Washers, put it right through. Boom. And we lock it in. And then you're done. Now we're gonna put everything back together and put it back in the car. Got it back together. Got the new fuel pump in there. The tank. You angle it like this and then let it drop right in there. Not too fast, but you know. All right, now that your fuel pump in there, boom, you get the seals ready, get the top. All right, y'all, so we finished the fuel pump. We got the drain, stock feed. I just put an AN line on it. Now we're gonna get the AN feed line, and we're gonna route it here, up in here, and then out to the front of the engine. All right, so boom. Round it, whoop, right around, just like that. See how easy that was? Okay, so we got the drain line in here. We're just gonna connect it real quick, get it done. And I ran it from out of the fuel pump under. I made sure I tucked the lines right in between the OEM lines so nothing sticks out. I'm gonna have to tuck one more of these, but yeah. So, yeah, what y'all think? Fuel, now I'm gonna just route the feed to the right side and then the drain on the left side, and I'll be done.